Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're like me and you like to buy things one time and be stocked up for a while, then you may be interested in this Colgate Value Pack. This is the Max Fresh Whitening Toothpaste, and let me show you what you get. So you get 3 of these tubes, and this toothpaste is awesome. So it works really well at keeping your teeth really clean and your breath smelling fresh. It has these whitening breath strips in there, so it helps to whiten your teeth from surface stains, and it just feels like it lasts a long time. So even as you go about your day, your mouth still feels really fresh and really clean. So I love that it doesn't have sugar in it, and it is also gluten-free, and it is very effective. So if you are like me and you like to stock up on things so that you never run out, then definitely check out this 3-pack of Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. I am super happy with the toothpaste, the way it performs, and the fact that I am stocked up and good for a while. And that is my point of view.